I withdraw 200 on a live account and turn it to 1,200, withdraw the money, you know, and then I bought the 10K challenge after like 2, 3 weeks, passed the 10K challenge, got another one, I passed the other one. I'll be honest, I made 30%, like the
30%.
2 weeks. So I withdraw the money, got the 10% profit split, Now I bought the 100K account,
Wow,
but I'm
okay.
gonna trade it next week.
In today's success interview, we are joined by Mustafa, one of the greatest students we have inside the 1% Club, who's crushing it every single day. He have passed a funding challenge not once, but twice. And guess what? He started with $200 and he turned that $200 to 100K funding challenge. You heard that right. He basically turned $200 to 100K funding challenge, and right now he's on the way to becoming a six-figure trader. So in this lesson, you are going to learn exactly how he analyze the charts, right? So he's going to pull up his charts and show you his exact strategy on how he actually got funded, right? So yeah, learn from him because he's definitely an outlier. Welcome to the success interview, right? So Mustafa, you have been killing it lately, right? You have been passing funding challenges like nothing. You turned $100 to $1,000. But before we talk about your success, I want to dig deeper, right? So tell us about yourself, introduce yourself, tell us where you're from, what's your background, and if you are working, what are you currently working as?
All right, bro. So my name is Mustafa. I am originally from Syria, but I live in Austria right now, and I am electric engineer.
So you're an electrical engineer. Cool, cool. Cause like
Exactly.
the previous interview, it was also an engineer. Yeah, interesting,
Okay.
interesting. Engineers make good
Yeah.
traders. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Cool, cool. Okay, so like I said, right, obviously I want to talk about your trading skills because you have been crushing it lately, right? So
Thank you.
perhaps you can just open up your charts and show us what is your bias for Euro USD next week, right? Do you think you're gonna enter for a buy or enter for a sell? Just a quick one.
I'm gonna analyze the chart now. When I'm finished, I'm just gonna explain everything, why I draw everything and stuff.
Okay,
So
cool. Let's do
yeah,
it.
just give me a minute.
No worries. Take our time, bro.
Mhm.
Okay, cool. We got a little bit demand zone. I'm just gonna like talk through this entire process. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
sure.
Got a little bit of liquidity sweep. Yeah, yeah. Is that liquidity sweep? Yeah. Amazing, amazing. Look at how fast he's doing it, guys. That's crazy. Okay, we got a premium discount, right? You're doing a top-down analysis, right? Very thorough and truth. Okay, cool, cool. Okay, dropping down the lower time frames,
Mhm.
right? What do you see right there? What do we have right there?
Imbalance,
Imbalance. There
as
we
you can
go.
see.
Imbalance.
Now I go to the 15 minutes
Yep.
and check what's going on in the imbalance.
Checking the imbalance.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, I can see a type of order
Yeah,
block right
order block
there.
right there. Okay, we got an order block. All right.
So we gotta check if the order block is valid.
Okay.
To the left, okay. Let's see. Okay, it broke the structure.
Yep.
Break of
Broke
structure
structure.
right there.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go to daily. On the daily, as you said, I can see a demand zone right there.
Yeah.
We reacted from it
Yep.
and we induced here before we mitigated inside.
Okay.
So I go on the 4 hours, just check what's going on, bullish, bearish. Yeah, as we can see, mitigated here, and then we delivered higher. We tapped into this imbalance right there, and then we reacted from it.
Yep.
So, and then I go on the 1 hour
Yep.
and check for more details. So as we can see, we swept Asia high last time, and Asia low is not swept now. So what I'm expecting that the price gonna sweep the low, and then we might mitigate to this order block. And then as we can see, we have imbalance right there, and I draw my premium and discount area. So what I expect is the price gonna mitigate into this order block and then react from it. So for next week, I'm just gonna wait for confirmation and see what's the market gonna do. We might just only sweep the Asia low and we might react from it. So my bias is short-term bearish and long-term bullish.
Damn, that is amazing. Look at how fast you can analyze the charts. Like that is
Yeah,
what within 5 minutes and you're done. Wow, that's crazy. I'm very proud of you, Mustafa.
thank you.
It's really glad to see that you're able to identify the imbalance and the order blocks and really the higher time frame order flow so easily as well, right? I see you do your top-down analysis. So
Yeah,
looking at this, you are more of like a intraday trader or like a scalper, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. It's just a mix between of
A mix between.
both.
Yep. This is good stuff, Mustafa. I'm really proud of you, man. Very proud
Thank
of
you.
you. Okay, so cool. Okay, so look, you know how to analyze the charts, right? And I want to know what was your trading journey like before you joined us, right? Maybe tell me from the
Sure.
starts. Yeah.
hmm So how I started trading, okay? Before I was into drop shipping, to be
Mm,
honest, a
mm,
friend of mine told me about trading and I was like, nah, I'm not into it.
yeah.
And then few months later, I saw another friend. I met
Yeah.
another one in the school, and he was a trader. He was
Mm,
trading for 2 years,
mm.
but he was this type of a trader that gets signals and
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
really know how to analyze, you know?
Yeah.
But he never said something about it, but I just noticed after the time, you know? So, and then I asked him about trading. He only taught me how to open MetaTrader 5 and TradingView. That's it. I always asked him, okay, how do you analyze? How do you do anything? He never spoke to me about it, you know?
Mm,
So I was curious about it. I went on YouTube, searched about trading,
mm.
and started from scratch. Literally no background,
No
because no
background.
one told me anything. So I saw a lot of YouTubers, but a lot of them made everything like really complicated, you know? Until I saw your channel.
Mm.
And then here after I saw the first video, the second video, you know, I was like, damn, it's so easy to understand, you know, like I don't know, there's something wrong. So I kept watching. I watched like literally every video that you posted. I'm this type of a grinder, you know, like if I want to do something, I just
Just gotta do it.
spend all my time on it,
Yeah.
like all in.
Yeah, all
Yeah, and
in.
that's
Yeah.
why. So all my free time was only on your YouTube videos on the chat
Mm.
and made a demo account and was trading on it. Like
Mm.
literally, if I lose, if I win, I don't care. I just
Yeah.
wanna get that experience, you know.
Mm.
And yeah, I saw that you had this blueprint
Yeah.
course before, yeah,
Yeah.
and I was like, damn, a little bit tough to
Mm.
get in it, you know,
Mm.
because of money and stuff. Because I
Mm.
was studying, I
Mm.
wasn't working. So, and then with the time, I stopped watching YouTube. I was just analyzing the charts and stuff. And then I started working. I got some money. I was saving a little bit, you know, because I wanted to join a course.
Yeah.
But you know how it is on the internet, like
Yeah.
a lot of people scamming in the courses
Yeah.
and you can't trust anyone.
Yeah.
And that's why I researched a lot. And then I came back to your YouTube
Mm.
channel. You know, I was like,
Mm.
okay, this guy is explaining everything and I understand, right? And he's not really hiding a lot of stuff.
Mm.
So I joined, watched the videos. As I said, grinder sit one sit. I watch everything,
Everything.
and then
Oh.
repeat and repeat and repeat. I type, I note everything that I'm
Mm.
learning, but
Mm.
not really everything in
Mm.
details. Only the things that I think it's really important for me to
Mm.
do my strategy, you know.
Mm.
So, as I said before, I am a mix of intraday and scalper. When I
Mm.
have time, I do scalping, and when I'm working, I only do intraday trades that take
Mm.
6 hours, 4 hours, and yeah. So, and then I went into 1% club, and yeah, now I'm crashing the market, you know?
Now you're crushing the markets. Nice, nice.
Exactly.
That's crazy. Yeah, like what you said, it's just like a Netflix subscription. If you don't like it, you can just leave it.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
if you're here, that means you probably like it, right? So
Yeah,
okay,
like
cool,
I gave it a try.
cool. Okay, so you mentioned that okay, the reason why you joined is because I was able to simplify complicated trading concepts in a way where like a 5-year-old can understand. Now that you
Yeah,
have joined the course, do you still feel like that's true? Like, do you feel like the courses are easy to understand?
yeah, definitely.
Mm,
And
okay.
then if we don't understand anything,
Yeah.
you guys are always here to explain anything. So yeah.
Yeah, the coaching course, right? Like you get a coaching call with me, Jason, and
Exactly.
Sanjeev. Okay,
Yeah.
interesting. Okay, so yeah, that's amazing, man. So it's really amazing to see you crushing it because like when I look at you on the leaderboard, you have climbed, man. You have climbed that thing like nothing. Right now, I think you're like top 5 or top 10 in the leaderboard, right? Which
Yeah,
basically
I
shows
guess.
how active you are inside the community. And the best part is you are not only active in the community, but you are also improving a lot at trading, right? Just think about it. Since the first day you joined the 1% club, and look at you now, analyzing Euro USD within
Yeah.
5 minutes, which is mind blowing. Okay, so you know that you have been crushing it, and I've seen you post so many times. That is why every time we have a student wins post, you are always featured in it. It's always Mustafa, Mustafa. Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's really the best thing, right? You are really like a prodigy, so to speak. Okay, so how does it feel when you actually share those wins in the community?
This really motivate me, and I always like to share my wins so maybe I can give some inspiration to other people, that are still learning. Or, you know, some people have doubts, and that's why when they see other people winning and like they think, oh, it's working, like
Mm,
maybe I gotta just put more time in it, and
mm.
yeah, the grind pays off.
The grind pays off.
So
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, Mustafa,
exactly.
agree, man. Like, honestly, your wins have motivated a lot of people, right? You can see people they are losing or they are not finding the light at the end of the tunnel, and then they look at you winning, crushing it, and they get motivated again. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So, just to ask you, because I've saw that you have passed two funding challenges, right? You have passed a 10K account and you have passed another 10K account, and I've saw
Yeah.
that your goal in September is to get to 100K in funding, becoming
Exactly.
a six figures funded trader. And honestly, 100%, I'm pretty sure you can make that goal, right? I believe in you, right? Really, from the bottom of my heart, I've seen what you can do on the markets. And trust me, it's
Yeah.
just a matter of time. It's only a matter of
Thank
time.
you.
Okay, so, okay, just one curious question. How much money have you made after joining the 1% club?
To be honest, last time
Mm,
I withdraw 200 on a live account.
mm,
I was just playing with it, let's
yeah,
say so. So, and turn it to 1,200
mm,
and then withdraw the money,
mm,
you know, and then I bought the 10K challenge
mm,
after like 2, 3 weeks. Passed the 10K challenge, got another one, I passed the other one, and then I traded the funded,
mm,
made I'll be honest, I made 30% like the
30%.
2 weeks, and
Damn.
then I got a losing streak, okay? And then
Mm,
I went back to 10%, and I was
mm,
like, damn,
mm.
I gotta get off the charts,
Yeah,
a
take a
little
break.
break. So
Yeah.
maybe it's not my time right now. The price
Yeah.
action was really bad because of
Yeah.
news and stuff.
Mm.
And that's why I withdrew the money, got the 10% profit
Mm.
split. Now I bought the 100K account,
Wow,
but I'm
okay.
gonna trade it next week. So
Damn,
yeah,
that's interesting. Wait, so you pretty much turned $200 to pretty much a 100K account because you started off with 200 and then you slowly grow
yeah,
up and then you reinvest the profits. That's a very smart move,
exactly.
right? You continuously reinvest your trading journey. You bought a 10K account, then you use the profits they make from a 10K account to buy the
Yeah.
100K account. Dude, that
Exactly.
is
That's the point.
that is
I
inspiring.
always
Yeah.
use my payouts
Yeah.
to invest more and more. I want to get
Mm,
more capital, like
mm,
more funded accounts. And then when I get a lot of payouts,
mm,
when I see, okay, now it's the time to spend that money and
mm,
reward myself, then
mm,
I'm gonna spend it. But now I don't have that much in funding, so I'm not
mm.
gonna spend anything on
It's the time to grind.
rewarding myself.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's the
yeah.
grind time right
It's the
now.
grind time. All right, cool, man.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. So you have gotten such amazing results, and how long have you been inside the 1% club?
I joined end of April
Mm,
and started learning
mm.
mid-May. Yeah,
So about 4 months, about 3, 4 months then.
yeah,
Mm. Okay,
exactly.
okay. Yeah, it's really cool to see that like within 3, 4 months you have achieved consistency. You're able to hit a profit target. You are able to manage your risk, right? That's really the most important part. And most importantly, I heard that I saw your community post, right? You got like a 81% win rate, which is pretty incredible, right?
Yeah.
So it's really glad to see you like doing quite well, right? But I think okay, what do you think helped you the most? The causes, the community, or the coaching call? Which one do you think helped you the most?
Um, to understand the market and handle how the market move, the courses
The
and to
courses.
understand in depth how everything literally work, the coaching calls.
Mm.
Like how should we start to analyze the market, the top down analyze and stuff, This is I got all of this from the coaching calls, but as I said, how I see the market and understand the candles, order block, everything, it's the courses.
Okay, interesting. So yeah, the good thing about the coaching call is that, and also the live trading session is that you are able to see the coaches analyze the charts in real time. So
Yeah,
you are able to see their
exactly.
thought process and how they do their top-down analysis, and that's how you learn, right? Incredible, right? Incredible. Okay, cool. So just before we move on, right, I just want to ask you, what would you say to somebody who is looking to join the 1% club, but he doesn't know whether he should or not?
Just trust the process, man. Like I am this type of person that adopt everything, okay? And I did it.
Lastly, how's everything going on with your trading so far? Because I know that right now you're about to start the 100K challenge next Monday, right?
Mhm.
So how's everything, right? What's your game plan, and do you think that you can do it and all that stuff? Yeah, just
Of
tell me.
course,
Of course, all the belief.
always the good mindset, the
Always a good
positive
mindset.
mindset. I
Positive
never think
mindset.
I'm gonna fail a challenge, and that's the key why I'm passing every challenge.
That's the
Even if
key.
I am on drawdown, I never think negative. I had the 10K once, and I had only 1% left on the account to lose. Like 9,100.
Yeah,
I turned it from 9,100 to pass the challenge, and I passed it.
that is
Like
crazy. That
some
is
people,
crazy.
when they only have 1%, they're gonna think, nah, it's gone.
Yeah.
But don't think like that. Just try minimize your risk management. Like don't enter and risk 1%, risk little bit. Start from scratch, like 0.2, 0.5, and then 1%, and then you got it.
Damn, those are some good tips actually, right? About risk management. And it's crazy,
Yeah,
right? I didn't know that you went to like almost like losing the challenge to passing the challenge. That is freaking insane. Right? You pretty much clutch
yeah.
it. Okay, cool. Yeah, so yeah, it's really inspiring to hear your entire story, man. Like how you came
Thank
from
you.
thinking that trading is like a scam, you are not interested whatsoever, and then your friend recommending you, but then they didn't teach you, and then you come online and you learn everything
Yeah.
by yourself, and right now you're crushing it in the markets and also in real
And
life. All
now
right.
now I am recommending my friends to join 1% Club on Lemois. And already got one in there.
Damn, that's amazing. Okay,
Yeah,
cool. Yeah, glad to see that we are all here to grow together. All right, so yeah,
exactly.
once again, very proud to have you inside the 1% Club. Thank you so much for your time today. And yeah, I'll
Thank
see
you
you soon,
too.
man. Take care, Mustafa.
All right. Thank you.